Are you a wordsmith looking to turn your passion into profit? Look no further, because today we're talking about the best ways to make money with writing online. From technical writing to script writing and everything in between, we'll give you the inside scoop on how to turn your writing skills into a lucrative career. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you won't want to miss this comprehensive guide on how to make a living from your writing. So grab a notebook, sit back, and get ready to be inspired. Let's dive in. But before we go ahead, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Method 1. Freelance writing. The first way to make money as a writer online is by becoming a freelance writer. Freelance writing is the practice of writing for clients on a project-by-project basis. You can offer your writing services on various platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. The best part about freelance writing is that you can work from anywhere and set your own rates. To get started, you just need to create a portfolio of your writing samples and start bidding on projects. Method 2. Content writing. Another way to make money as a writer online is by doing content writing. Content writing is the creation of written material for websites, blogs, or other online platforms. Companies and websites are always looking for fresh and engaging content, and that's where content writers come in. To start your content writing career, you can offer your services on platforms like Cantina, Hire Writers, or Textbroker. Method 3. Blogging. Blogging is another great way to make money as a writer online. Blogging is the practice of writing and publishing articles or posts on a website. If you have a passion for writing and a particular topic that you'd like to write about, then blogging is a great option for you. You can start your own blog or write for other blogs and websites as a guest blogger. To monetize your blog, you can use methods such as advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and more. Method 4. Copywriting. Copywriting is another way to make money with writing online. Copywriting is the act of writing text for the purpose of advertising or other types of marketing. Companies are always looking for persuasive copy that can help them sell their products and services. To get started with copywriting, you can offer your services on platforms like ProBlogger Job Board, Cantina, or Freelancer. Method 5. E-book writing. Another way to make money with writing online is by writing and publishing ebooks. Ebooks are digital books that can be sold online. If you have expertise in a particular area or you have a passion for writing, then writing and publishing an ebook is a great way to make money online. You can sell your ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad. Method 6. Technical writing. Technical writing is a type of writing that involves explaining complex information in simple terms. If you have knowledge in a particular field, such as science, technology, or engineering, then you can offer your services as a technical writer. Technical writers are in high demand, and you can find job opportunities on platforms like ProBlogger Job Board, Indeed, or Freelancer. Method 7. Grant writing. Grant writing is the process of writing proposals to secure funding from grant-making organizations. If you have a knack for writing and researching, then grant writing can be a profitable career for you. Grant writers typically earn a fee for each grant proposal they write, and the fee can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s. Method 8. Resume writing. Resume writing is another way to make money with writing online. Many people struggle to write their own resumes, and that's where resume writers come in. If you have experience in human resources, recruiting, or career counseling, then you can offer your services as a resume writer. You can find resume writing job opportunities on platforms like ProBlogger Job Board, Indeed, or Freelancer. Method 9. Script writing. Script writing is the process of writing scripts for movies, TV shows, commercials, or other forms of video content. If you have a passion for storytelling and a creative mind, then script writing can be a great career for you. To get started, you can offer your services on platforms like ProBlogger Job Board, Cantina, or Freelancer. That's a wrap on the best ways to make money with writing online. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss any of our future videos. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for you. So until next time, keep writing and keep earning.